Bruce guy, the local hero, running on small tire, 10.5 tire. And you know, hey, we all know the economy was pretty good to us, and Discovery Channel had a little extra money. They said, let's throw $5 grand at 8 local racers here in Texas, in every single state, and let's let them fight it out for it. That's right. We want to shine a light on the grassroots guy and kind of take it back to where Street Outlaws started. You guys remember when we were all running small tire? When the show first started, that was an exciting racing, right? And we got 8 of them, right? And we're all rookies. And
yeah, no.
small tire racing is very, very exciting. We're going to show you that whenever you witness the first season of Locals Only here today in Texas. Introducing your hand-picked local eight from the mean streets of Houston, Texas. You guys are going to know some of them. Some of them have appeared on original Street Outlaws. Some of them are new, but they're all trying to grab that $5 grand. And to explain the show, these guys are going to race it out, tournament style. And you're going to see it air on Discovery Channel, but you get to see it live here. And then, after they pick each other off and load each other up on the trailer, one will remain to grab the $5 grand. So they all want to race a big tire Street Outlaw. That's right. So the winner of this gets $5 grand, right? And then they get the opportunity to race a big tire Street Outlaw for another $5 grand. These guys are racing for $10,000 today. Most people know, and a lot of people don't know, that a big tire car and a small tire car cannot run heads up in a no-prep situation. So it's not a heads-up race. There will be negotiations. There'll be negotiations on the first round call-out. There'll be negotiations on the final race. There might be car links. There might be a tennis ball spot. Anyone see Daddy Dave race with the tennis ball spot? All right. So we have no idea what the negotiations are going to be, and we have no idea who the outlaw is going to be racing with these 8 people right here. But without further ado, let's introduce your proud and loud local 8. Please tell me your name, what you drive, and what city you represent.
My name is Richard Gupta. I drive a 63 Chevy Nova, and I'm from Baytown Texas.
63 Chevy Nova, just like Asians.
My name is Bo Brown. I drive a 91 Fox Body. I'm from Crowley, Texas.
I'm Eric Schultz. I'm from Baytown, Texas. I drive a 2014 Mustang GT.
My name is Dylan Wells. I drive a 93 Fox Body, twin turbo. I'm from Arlington, Texas.
My name is Tyler Loman from Houston, Texas. I drive a 1980 Camaro called Mean Green.
My name is Louis Hidalgo. I drive a 68 Corolla Insidious. I'm from Cypress, Texas.
My name is Clinton LeBlanc. I drive the Red Taz Cavalier, 1992 model, LSX powered, 1 single turbo. I'm from Dayton, Texas, and we're going to drag all these guys' ass.
Not going to the house, 90 minutes, 10, twin turbo, the fastest 10 there is.
Go ahead and pick your favorites. They're all our first round rounds. Have you guys talked amongst yourselves, had a friendly conversation, and decided what you're going to do next? First round call out, anybody? Who's got a call out?
Unfinished business right here. Tyler Loman, driving Mean Green. He's sitting on a small car like I am right now, and I don't think he can get there at all.
I'll tell you what, I think we're going to first round call-outs. I don't do those, but after it's all said and done, we can
Come on, man. Come on, let your balls hang out. Let your balls hang out. If you're going to be the best, you got to be the best. Let's go on.
I'm just trying to live it.
What's it going to take to get you to get there? You ain't going to be anywhere at the end of the night because I'm going to put you on straight the first round.
That's fine. We can run race after and I'll run out of your life
Look,
then.
why don't you just get the first round? I'm scared. You talk all that shit on Facebook, but now you can't get there. Save your tires, save your, get it on first Let's do it.
I don't know, man. You know, if this man didn't want a first round call out, let me ask the fans what they want.
Bravo!